Right, hello and welcome back to this quick little 2021 update video. Now 2020 has been a year where not a lot of things could get done, obviously because of the coronavirus pandemic, which has obviously stalled a lot of work on this channel, mainly because a lot of machine shops and that weren't open and a lot of suppliers were just not supplying materials or items. But hopefully 2021 will be a lot better. Now this is ahead. I've done several videos on this already. The next video will hopefully be the CNC porting of these combustion chambers. If you look at this one and look at this one, you can see that it's sort of been done by hand and it's not too great. So I spoke to a machine shop and they are happy to do it for me. I know these are quench pads and they help mix the fuel, but where this is going to have a bigger turbo and bigger injectors, therefore higher boost levels, that's not as much as an issue. The cars only ever run on high octane fuel as well, so obviously they should then deduct and make it less likely to pink or pre-ignite. So this will slightly increase the cylinders. I will have to then work out the CC per cylinder and then rework out the compression ratio. So that'll be an upcoming video, but this year should be track days and it should be turbos and engine builds and everything else. So a quick little update video letting you know where the channel's at. I'm still doing it. It's still very much a very big passion of mine. I think we have about 412 subscribers as of this filming of this video. It might go up by the time this video goes out. So a big thank you to everyone that subscribed to me in 2020. I'm hoping to hit 1,000 in 2021. That'd be great because then the channel will be able to be monetized. I'm not expecting to earn $1 million out of it or £1 million out of it, but the more money that I earn the more money I earn from any of these endeavors will go towards more projects for you guys to watch. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe because obviously that's the goal for the channel. We're trying to get as many subscribers as we can, trying to put out some good quality content. I've got plenty of ideas. I've got about 3 or 4 notebooks now full of ideas of things I want to do, not just on the Polo. There's a couple of other cars I'm looking at buying, but obviously it requires money, it requires facilities, it requires paying people for their time and their services. So yeah, that's the goal for this year. The goal for this year is to become a monetized channel and to be able to put out great content for you guys. That is the sole purpose of this channel, is to put out great content, maybe teach people something and maybe learn something myself. It's a two-way street. I love learning, I love doing things that are outside my comfort zone because that's how you develop and that's how you hone your skills to be better. So I think I've rambled on long enough. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll hopefully see you in the next one. Take care.